Okay, in this video I'm going to show you some quick tips and tricks on how to use atoms to make your lives a lot easier and a lot more efficient. So right when you get here, you probably won't have these in right now. So in order to get to these main pages, you would have to press Control comma is settings. Control backslash should get you to the web tree right here. Control Shift 8 should get you to GitHub, and Control Shift 9 should get you to your Git bash. And that's how you would that's how you would make your commit and how you would pull onto GitHub and everything, so on and so forth. And some really cool and neat features that every beginner should know is, let me go on to a page where this would be useful. Hold on just a minute. Okay, so a quick edit I want to make is on this site, which let me quickly show you which site this really is so that you guys know what I'm talking about. It's going to be this site right here. And on here, I want to say that, okay, the user has a character limit on what they can enter in here. So let's say I want to change it. As you can see, the max length for the text area is 400 for each and every one of these, but I want to change them all at once and edit them all at once. Instead of doing copy and pasting, what I could do is I could make a cursor here, press Control, and then select this again, creating 2 cursors, select again, 3 cursors, and then select this one and make it 4 cursors. I can then do backspace and edit them at will. I don't want 500, how about 450? And then I could press Control S, go back, test it out here. So Control reload, I would type in some stuff, and then let's say, oh, 450 is not enough. I can go back here real quick and add back 400, save, and that's how to use this tool. And another really quick tool you guys could use is split screening, and that's when I take a tab, put it on top here, and I can easily work on 2 side by side. However, this is usually not my preferred method. I usually prefer having it side to side, and let me quickly show you how to do that. That would be like this. This is my preferred method. However, you guys can pick whatever method you want. Up, down, you can just do it in a corner. In fact, you can make it like this and edit so on and so forth. And you guys can play around and see which configuration fits best for you.